In the heart of the Bernese Oberland, surrounded by the beautiful mountains, the company Futur Nature is nestled in a picturesque Frutigen. A high-quality tofu is made here with crystal-clear spring water and Swiss organic soybeans. The twins Samuel and Martin Klopfenstein have been producing various tofu products in a former butcher shop since 1998. Both have many years of experience in tofu production that are guaranteed to be fresh and unique product. The harvested Swiss soybeans are soaked in cold spring water overnight. The beans soaked up the water and double in sizes. The water is poured off and the soybeans are pressed together with the spring water through a mixer. This is where the raw product, soy milk, is made. For the next step, the freshly produced soy milk is heated to 90 degrees Celsius in a large saucepan.
Auspressen, das heisst, wir tun so durch einen Sack an, wo die festen Bestandteile zurückbleiben. Die flüssigen Bestandteile, die Sojamilch.
As soon as the soy milk reaches temperature, it is pumped into a sieve. These sieves separate the peel and the color from the soy milk that runs down below. The pods are used as a byproduct called okra for food and animal feed.
Also hier haben wir verdünntes Nigarisalz, das ist Magnesiumchlorid.
As soon as the soy milk has been squeezed out completely, Samuel adds the traditional coagulant nigari, a component of sea salt. The nigari allows the soy milk to curdle, and what remains is flaked tofu and the so-called whey. The whey is skimmed off, and all that remains is flaked tofu. It is then pressed into molds and shaped into blocks in a large press. In this step, it is essential that it's always carried out by the same employees so that the tofu always has the same consistency. Stefan, as a company employee, has mastered this process perfectly. After pressing, the tofu can be cut to any size chosen and then cooled into cold water. Here, in production, the tofu blocks are packed by hand, vacuum sealed and then pasteurized. Finally, the tofu is given the appropriate label and is ready to be shipped all over Switzerland. A passion for vegan products makes her unique in their region.